decision. It's a good pass. It's a good look. But you got to make it when you need to make it instead of making it that late. That's why that happened. Okay, I told you to go there. I don't know.
We're good. We're good.
Okay. Then you need to move on. So let's think about that. You see a man ahead of you, get him the ball. If you see somebody open, get him the ball. 1 for 2, 1 for 2.
Box,